I am talking for the textile industry, and so the past few years, from the time GST came, we had a request with the government to rationalize this tariffs at different rates, slabs. So 2 days ago, our Coimbatore MLA Vanati Srinivasan had organized a meeting with the Honorable FM, and there she told us what we had requested will be, there will be some good news coming. So this has been a big relief today. The past 2-3 days ago, the government had removed the cotton duty. So for till December, now this relaxation of the bringing down the 3-4 slabs into 2 slabs. Most of textile industry, 99% is in 5%. The rest, like chemicals and dyes and chemicals, are in 18. So it makes it very easy. Now with the festival season, Deepavali and all coming up, I think there's going to be a lot of interest and a lot of increase in business, which will really help the industry now.
And sir, as of now, there are some people who are saying that the earlier tax slabs were superimposed. Like now they are being cut off, so there was a dent on the Indian economy. They are saying that the government earlier imposed heavy taxes on the people. Now they are levying it due to election.
No, I think beginning, if you know, GST ek din ek raat we brought it in. No other country in the world could have done this. No America, no Europe can do it. At that time, we needed the 4 or 5 slabs, war required. Now everybody is used to GST. Now it is easy to cut it down. We know where it has to be done. It has to be done. So, and so far, with paying those GSTs, we were doing very well. We were the fastest growing economy, so we can't complain.